Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to RC Overdose. My name is Dev and I have the Stampede 2-wheel drive with the speed gearing on. So this thing was running on the 5800 before and it was really fast, and I didn't put the speed gearing in yet. But right now I'm running with the stock battery and the speed gearing, and this thing goes ridiculously fast. If you haven't watched the previous video, that should be the Stampede speed run video with the speed gearing. So I hope you like this video. This is the homemade cardboard RC ramp jump, and I've tried my best to make it however I could, and Stampede jumps pretty good. So let's try this out today, guys. That's pretty good, guys. That works pretty good. Now one more time. And the train. You get to see the train go and the Stampede jump. Now keep in mind the motor will get really hot in this, so please check your motor every time you drive this, and make sure you take out the speed gearing. Wish it had the flip, but it doesn't. We're checking the durability of this body as well. And just kidding, guys. We're just doing some jumps right now. Let's see one from this side, guys. I need to stand at a proper angle and make a nice jump for you. Wow, ridiculous. This is my first time trying jumps with Stampede, guys. Okay guys, so next video I'm gonna be mounting the camera nowhere, but I'm gonna placing it on the ground so you guys can still get a little view. And thanks a lot for watching RC Overdose, and I hope you enjoyed this little jump session with me. Peace.